This year, I'm thankful for having an amazing family, supportive boyfriend, being able to move into a new apartment, and just being able to work in such a great and supportive work environment. And some of my favorite Thanksgiving dishes are definitely mashed potatoes, green beans, and I really like pumpkin pie.
I'm thankful for my friends, my family, and my dog Penny. And my favorite dishes are green bean casserole and macaroni and cheese.
I'm just thankful for life today. I'm thankful for a job here at Atlantic Cape Community College. That way I can provide for me and my daughter. And my favorite dishes are collard greens, baked mac and cheese, fried chicken, and candy yams.
I am thankful for my family, and my favorite dish is mashed potatoes.
I am thankful for having a job, being able to provide for my family, to provide a hot meal on the table. And my favorite dishes are baked macaroni and cheese. I like Cornish hens and yams.
I give thanks for my family and all the good things that God gave me over the year. And my favorite dishes is mashed potato with turkey. I will say it in Spanish. Yo le doy gracias a Dios por todas las cosas buenas en este año, y mi comida favorita es pavo con papa majada.
Thankful for good family, good friends, good health. This Thanksgiving, my mom just turned 80, so I'm thankful, God bless for that. Favorite dishes, stuffing, collard greens, gosh, what else? Those are my main things. Corn probably. Just give me some stuffing, some collard greens, and some pumpkin pie. That's what I gotta have.
And I am thankful for a wonderful family and friends, my health, a wonderful job. I'm thankful for so much. One of my favorite meals for the holidays is macaroni and cheese and mashed potatoes.
I'm thankful that I can still be thankful. And my favorite dish, I would say my drunk turkey. It's a hit.
I'm thankful for my family and friends, being able to have a loving community, and as well, my favorite dish is the baked mac and cheese. Straight into it, straight up.
The yams on the side.